Hey guys, it's coreross and welcome to this sponsored video. Today we're looking at the HyperX Savage EXO portable solid state drive. So as you guys know, I love technology. I've done quite a lot of unboxings on this channel, along with a custom Rainbow Six PC that I built as well, which I freaking love and still use as my editing machine. So HyperX sent over the 480 gig version of the Savage EXO, and I'm going to actually use it as a game drive for my Xbox One. But it is fast enough to do video editing on as well. However, let's talk about game loading times. This is what I wanted to test. So right now I have a mechanical USB 3 drive that I use for game storage, and it's way better, way faster than the internal storage. But I wanted to know what it'd be like to upgrade to SSD speeds for loading times. So of course Red Dead Redemption is just out, and I thought this is perfect because these Rockstar games usually take a long time to load into, and they're a bit of a pain in the ass, and especially GTA 5. So I thought I'd test Red Dead Redemption. So on my mechanical external hard drive that's faster than the internal, it was 1 minute 35 to load into the game, and the SSD cut that down to 1 minute 15, so that's saving 20 seconds. Then I went and tested GTA 5. Now this is where I was actually really surprised, because I thought Red Dead actually loaded up faster. I was thinking, good job Rockstar, it doesn't take as long as it did to get into GTA 5. But I actually went and tested GTA 5 with this. So the mechanical external, it took 1 minute and 36 seconds. So almost the same amount of time as Red Dead. But we actually saved more time with the SSD. We actually went down to 1 minute 10 seconds. So saving 26 seconds. Now you might be thinking these load times aren't that important, and I would agree. If you're going to go into Red Dead and play like a 5-hour session, loading up just a little bit faster at the start isn't a huge deal. But when it comes to the Xbox, there's one game that really takes advantage of an SSD, and that is PUBG. Because PUBG, of course, just like the PC counterpart, is pretty bad. But with an SSD, things actually load in quicker, giving you a tactical advantage. So if you actually drop out of the plane with your old internal hard drive, most of the stuff will not load in, and then you will be at a tactical disadvantage, whereas someone with an SSD has things loading actually quicker and they can get kills easier. So it's actually a legitimate tactical advantage. So let me show you the unboxing experience for this drive. So this is the packaging it comes in. If I had the money, I would unbox a piece of tech every single day. I freaking love this. Like, I've unboxed a couple of controllers in the past, and always a lot of fun. So here we go, the Savage EXO. So this is the 480 gig version. I love how SSDs have really come on, because this thing is fast, and it's small, and high capacity. So it's going to be perfect for me if I need to do video editing on the go, but also it matches in aesthetically with my Xbox, and I guess it would match in perfectly with a PS4 as well. Of course, it's nice and small, which is great. So let's get into this packaging. We can see we get some cables, of course, we get the SSD itself, and that's pretty much it. There's a couple of little bits of leaflets in there, but that's all really. So we've actually got two USB cables. So we've got a Type C to Type C connector and a Type C to your standard USB. So whatever you have, and you're kind of future-proof for the future as well, you upgrade your computer and it has the new types of Type C connectors. So let's get into this. It is sandwiched between two plastic layers, very well protected. I can't see this thing getting damaged easily in transit at all. So it comes with a little HyperX sticker, very nice. I've got quite a few different stickers on my PC now from all different products. Well, actually it's not on the outside, it's on the inside of the side panel. So there we go, the HyperX Savage EXO portable solid state drive. A pretty cool drive, and I like to see how much SSD technology has come on now, and this to me is really cool. Anyway guys, I will leave a link in the description below to this product, but you guys also tell me, when it comes to consoles, do you want to upgrade to an SSD for your game drive, or do you already do that on your game console? Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.